In this video, we'll see how you can check what shortcuts are available and how you can customize them in the Postman app. First, let's head to the settings at the top right of your app. Then go to the Shortcuts tab. On that window, you can see the shortcuts are enabled, and you can disable them if you like. And you can also see what shortcuts are available for different functions in Postman. May it open new tab, zooming in, sending requests, etc. From this window, you can now hover on the tab you want to customize and click on it. Once you've done that, you can use your keyboard to enter the new shortcut you'd like to use. For example, I'm going to use Command P to open a new tab. And now you can see it's changed. I can go back to Postman and try my new shortcut. So I'll press Command and P, and I can see my new shortcut is now available. If you'd like to revert any changes, you can head back to the shortcuts settings here, and you can either revert just the one you've edited, or also click Restore Default to restore all of your shortcuts to defaults.